Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Thursday, April 26th. We have a big old package today. This is coming from my good friends over at BONZY Home on Amazon Prime. You guys can get one at low cost right now. Click on the links down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime shipping. This thing is huge. I'm going to open it up, see what's inside. But this thing is really heavy also. So definitely if you guys get one of these, you might want to get a partner to help you out carry it in. But it's definitely heavy. And I'm going to put you on pause. Alrighty, YouTubers, it's going to be a quick video. Here she is, the brand new leather recliner by BONZY Home. This thing is so comfortable. Definitely could fall asleep in it watching the draft tonight. All that good stuff. But look at this thing. Well designed, easy to install. It took me myself 3 minutes. These come apart. And you just gotta pop them in. Fully reclined. And then underneath here, you just pop them in there. See them down in the corner. Bada boom. And it's easy. Easy peasy. Oh, sorry about that. But this thing is amazing. Fully reclined. Watch some movies on this. Some Netflix. See all the way back. Awesome. So check them out, YouTubers. Links will be down below where you can get one at low cost right now. That is it for now. You guys be safe. And I'll see you back later on today. See ya.